Welcome back to more updates from the valley, where the IED that was found by the forces in Baramulla has now been destroyed. Earlier today, security forces recovered an improvised explosive device and that was in Rafiabad area, North Kashmir's Baramulla-Handwara highway, where this entire stretch was cordoned off by security forces. We are getting to know that this IED now has been defused, it's been destroyed. Zeenat is with us to give us the update. So yes, Zeenat, we are getting to know that after the bomb disposal squad that was also called in, the IED for now has been destroyed.
Yes, Amita, the IED that was earlier detected at Tragpura, that's on the national highway of Baramulla, now has been defused by the security forces. Bomb disposal squad was called by the security forces a while back because this IED was found in one of the orchards on National Highway, and now this has been completely destroyed, and a major tragedy has been awaited by the security forces because this has happened in North Kashmir this time. Earlier, the focus as far as the IEDs were concerned, it was in South Kashmir's Pulwama, but now this time the militants chose to plant an IED in orchards of North Kashmir. In fact, the civilian movement on National Highway have also been stopped for some time, but yes, now the IED has been completely destroyed and the forces still on ground and have completely sealed this very patch of National Highway on Baramulla Road.
Anything officially that we are getting to know from the army side on this incident now?
See, Amita, we are yet to get any formal version coming from the security forces, but there were the reports as well as our sources were telling in the security forces that because the more activity of the LET and nowadays also the TRF do claim such kind of incidents. So they are just looking into it. It will be premature to talk about it. But so far, the biggest news is that it's a relief for the people as well as the security forces because major tragedy has been awaited by the security forces in North Kashmir.
All right. Thanks very much, Zeenat, for the update. So the IED that was recovered from the highway there in Baramulla has been defused. It's been destroyed.